We had a little visitor come down. Look at that. He stinks, but he came down to the house and we got our live cage trap. And we decided to give him a new home by a creek in the mountain areas where he can roam free, because we didn't want him around the house. He was causing our German Shepherd to go crazy at night, snooping around. And peanut butter and hot dogs is the perfect bait. As he cleaned it out, he did get in there. He did eat 2 hot dogs and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So he should be full.
Right.
Let's go.
Yeah, go. Wrong way, wrong way, wrong way.
There you go. And he's off. Oh, he's off. Daytime possum.
He's on, so
I know, look at him.
and he's down.
He's going across the creek. He swam the creek. And he's gone. He went back up Mount Holler up in there at Little Creek. Well, that's your good deed for today. You should catch a big bass.
Okay.
Well, the good deed is done. We never kill them. We catch coons, possums. We'll just take them in a live cage trap, let them out, and be done with it. So now, let's go catch some bass. Hey, we're hitting the river today, and Brendan's got some creek chubs. We don't know what we're getting into today, but that's what makes fishing fun. And yesterday, Brandon nailed, what, about a 3.5?
Yeah.
Somewhere around there. Big smallie, first another year out of the river. That is a good one. That's a real good one.
Edge of the creek.
See it. Look what a belly on it. And we've got some creek chubs today. Cold front end, it was like 70 degrees yesterday, and the water's still cold. But today the temperature's right around the low 50s, and we thought we'd bring you guys along with us. Oh, the wind, nice cold front. Nice cold front day. It's a miserable day, so it's a good day for smallmouth. A bad day for you is a great day for the smallmouth. I got a fish on. Yep. Feels like a good one. There he is. Oh, that is a good one. Trinacian. Oh yeah. Well, I barely had him hooked too. Pretty one on the creek chub. Yeah, let this fella go. There you go, buddy. God, Brennan had one break on him right here.
Let it have it.
Daydream, buddy.
Oh my God.
Nope.
I do know.
Oh my gosh, what a smallmouth.
She's beautiful.
Look
I
what
was using a minnow, dead, barely twitching it, real slow. He was laying actually right on this drop off. He came from nowhere and took it off top, or she. And this is Stank Eye. He's a family friend. Randy caught
him last year.
Him a year before last.
Year before last.
And we'll let him go and hopefully catch him another day.
Yep.
I didn't have time to even let it.
That's nice, man. Good job. Okay guys, all we're doing, we've got dead minnows right now, or minnows if you like to call them. You can see how dead that thing is right there. The water, the creek was warmer, probably 60 degrees, wasn't it? And this river right now is about 50 degrees, if that. And we are just casting these out, and we're just letting them go down toward the bottom and then just twitching them in right now. I mean, you got to get it right in front of their nose. And I mean, just because our bait dies, we don't throw it away. I mean, we'll start twitching it, making it look like a wounded minnow coming in, and you can still catch fish on them. And that's what we're doing at the moment. Something knocked it out. I think he's on there. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, got a little jump action. 50-degree water, boys. There's nothing like a freaking smallmouth. Favorite fish. That's a nice one. Yeah, if you want to. Oh, nice chunk. Nothing like river smallmouth. Nothing like smallmouth in general. Lake, river, my favorite fish. Get back out in there, girl. Oh my God, a giant. I guess it was a giant. I seen a big bronze flash. Oh, that's a good one. He's got a big one with it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, oh.
It's a little bitty fellow. Go ahead.
That one came off and he grabbed it.
Okay, well, get that and take.
I got him. Nope.
Hook, probably back in the net.
Yep, going to tip. Damn it.
I'll wait.
They're between them two big rocks over there. No, I wasn't hooked. I was twitching it real fast and that one boiled on it. Dang.